This Barbie doll is the Crystal Fantasy Collection. Is one of the most expensive beautiful Barbie dolls I have. It has a real amethyst necklace. It has a package that will light up, crystals that will light up. If you push the button, it won't. I'll show you that later. Look, and look at that. Isn't that amazing? This makes me not want to unbox the doll. Look at that. Wow, that's gonna cute. It's a really nice. It really makes me not want to unbox it, but I just might because I really can't help myself. But look at her, she's so beautiful. This face is a bit different. I am not sure I have any other Barbie dolls with this face. Maybe I do. Her shoes are amazing. From the pictures I thought that the jewelry, the plastic jewelry, looked more tacky, but they are quite beautiful actually. The gown is amazing. I really want to open her to see the details. So, well, let's see. The door is limited to 20,000 worldwide, and I don't know how many they made in this series. I think it might be 3, but I am not sure. This is Amethyst. I'm looking for the year. The year is 2020. I will do a very careful unboxing if I do an unboxing. I haven't decided yet, so let's see. Okay, well, I hope I won't regret the decision to unbox this Crystal Fantasy Collection Amethyst doll because of the features here. I really hope I can keep her in the box later, but I do this for the collectors that won't unbox her. So let's see. Oh, because I know there are some collectors that really don't like to unbox their dolls, and it's really hard for them to do that. So for me, it's not that big of a deal if something doesn't work out later. So, well, but I hope I can just pull this one out. No, it didn't work. Let's see. Maybe it works if I think I will unbox her like this instead. Oh, I didn't have to destroy her at all. I can just pull her out. Oh, that's amazing. I don't think I even have to destroy anything. If that is true, it is really great. Oh, it's hard though. It's really hard. It is quite hard to unbox her without destroying something. Oh, the threads. I'll pull the threads. There are threads you need to pull here. Okay, I hope I didn't ruin anything. No, she's sewn to the package. Okay, and the arms. I could get the arms through like this, and then I just need to, pull her hair through like that, and do a fast cut here. And I hope this will work out and I won't ruin anything. It worked! Look! Oh, I could take her out without ruining the package. That is so great because it's a really beautiful package and the doll is beautiful, so I really wanted to. It's the Mother Muse buddy. I figured that, but I wasn't completely sure. I didn't ruin anything, I hope. Look at those shoes. Look at those shoes. Wow. Look at the amethyst necklace. Her eyebrows. I really like her makeup and eyebrows. It's really beautiful. The hair. Wow. And there's the stand. I will remove the stand. Wow. So I am happy that I succeeded to remove her from the box without ruining the doll completely, because that wouldn't have been too good. She has no underwear. The dress is so beautiful. It is, these are just sewn in. Just pull them out. And the box is almost perfect condition still. I'm trying to put it back, so you can just fold it back like this. So that's great news. And I wonder if you can put the stand in the box. You can put the stand in the box like this. That is great. And yes, you can. Yes, you can. Oh, sorry. Yes, you can. You can put the stand in the box. You can have her on the stand in the box. That's perfect. That's all I could ever want from a Barbie doll box. So that's great, and I will. I'm sorry about that. The camera is too low. And I will try to put her on the stand and in the box and see how it fits. And it fits perfectly. So it fits perfectly still. Look. Just closing it. So thank you. Oh, it will wobble around a little bit, but you'll have to stand the box up carefully. So thank you, Mattel, for doing a doll that can be reboxed after unboxing. That is fantastic. So you can use the, let's see if it works. I'll close the lamp. See. No, this. That's kind of cute, you know. Ain't gonna lie, it's cute. So that's just great. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.